Hi, this is Spencer Colgan, this Wallpaper. Thank you for watching my wallpaper TV show on YouTube. This is Grasscloth. I want to show you how to lay down a seam on Grasscloth, okay? So I'll do more of the doing, less talking. Just watch this. I put a thin layer of glue on the wall already over acrylic primer. Unlike your vinyl, you don't want to go this way with the smoother, you want to go this way. Because if you push it this way, you're going to push out a thin layer of glue onto the surface and you don't want to do that. You take your smoother. You're going to go from the seam in. Because you know when you're pushing out, you got glue. And it's going to make the seams all dark. Why did I put glue on the wall already? It makes the wall super sticky. If you ever hang a textile, you put the glue on the wall, you wait till it dries about 80% and touch it, it's very sticky. Then you put your textile on it, otherwise you can't hang it. Same idea here. The seam roller, don't use it on this because you're going to make the glue come out in the middle. And this is going to mess up your seams, they won't lay down. This is the best you're going to get a Grasscloth seam. The allure is the mismatch, believe it or not, with these natural colors. See, on vinyl, you try to land the seams right on top of each other. In fact, you usually overlap them. Here, I gave it 1/8 of an inch, me and my helper. We put the wallpaper down 1/8 of an inch away so that I could work the seam together, pushing it that 1/8 of an inch over. I know how much glue that I have underneath it. Me doing this is not going to cause the glue to come out. But if you do it, if you have too much glue, it might come out. So you may not want to do this with your smoother. You may want to just come in, away from that seam. If you do run the smoother over the seam, assume that you have a little glue on it, clean cloth, wipe it right off. It's damp, it's not wet, it's just a little damp so that it grabs the glue. I lost my knife again? Is that what that was? It's alright. It's coming out gorgeous. I want to show them how to cut it at the top. Thank you. Just take them over here. I want them to see this edge, and then, oh, I'm sorry. I want them to see, we have a rag. Just kick the rag over, please. Very nice, thank you. Okay, so one last tip. Okay, so now we have no Grasscloth here. We can be a little messy if we have to be. I want those seams to lay down. I gotta bring the glue out underneath it. I went light on the edges purposely because I don't need a lot of glue on the edges. So I'm bringing it out. And that's what you want to do. You want to bring the glue right to the edge, wipe down the edge, keep wiping the smoother. You want that edge nice and tight. But you can't do this when you have two adjoining pieces of grass cloth. You only want to do it when the next sheet isn't there. Okay? We're ready to hang our next sheet. Thanks for watching Spencer Colgan as Wallpaper. I'll show you the final result on the next one. Thank you.